A lot of you, I think, know me from my Subaru, which I've had for a long time. And I was never really into vlogging. I didn't really care about it. I never watched anyone's videos, even some of my friends. Sorry. But I just started watching Adam's videos, Adam LZ, and pretty much just on his 240s. And he pretty much just inspired me to like get going with it, get started with the project. All of his videos are super well put together, which mine will not be just yet. I'm actually doing this all for my phone. I haven't been able to pick up a camera yet, seeing as though we just kind of started with this last night. So bear with me for a couple weeks maybe, until I could get a laptop and whatever to start. But pretty much it'll just be my winter progress with the 240 and the Subaru, and anything else I find exciting, because I don't want it to be a vlog that everyone does, where they wake up, show their entire day, that interests nobody. So maybe I'll include some partying, some parties we have over the winter, any events we go to, garage hangs with my friends, whatever. I don't really have many friends, but we'll see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the first video, and subscribe. We're gonna take her for a little spin. JK. Just gonna do a little startup. Oh, we live, baby, we live! Woo! So here's my 1995 Nissan 240 SX. Hope the door's still open. Was never really looking for one of these, but I found one for a good price, and I bought it. Rust-free. Car's originally from California to Florida. It's lowered on some Volk wheels. Last night, me and a couple friends pulled the motor. Went pretty smoothly. Everything's pretty clean. A lot of wiring. And I'm chipping the paint on the hood. Oops. So here's a bunch of shit that we pulled off. The motor. Said it had no oil pressure. It started right up for me. Obviously it had a little bit of rod knock. Head gaskets were toast. Turbo is garbage. But I believe the motor's been in the car since 2001, when they did the swap at Fever Racing in Tampa, Florida, I believe it was. So today I'm going to start pulling off all the accessories, and hopefully get the tranny unbolted and clutch off and get it up on the stand so that I could start getting it all ready for a rebuild. And they're my wheels that no one wants to buy because they're too wide and too aggressive, and I don't want to sell them, but I need money for this car. And there's my other car. Alright, quick little update. I got the tranny off, which is over here. We got the clutch and the flywheel. A little bit burnt, not too bad. Clutch looks pretty good still. And then spec pressure plate. When I drove the car quick around the block, the clutch felt pretty mint. So I think I'm just going to reuse that. And now, try to get this thing on the engine stand. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little update of what I'm going to do with the bay probably. It looks like shit right now. A lot of wiring, splices, and bullshit from the swap, I'm assuming. So, probably clean up a lot of that shit. I don't think you really need half of that. That's all the KA wiring. I'll probably paint the bay. I don't think I'm gonna do like a shave and tuck and all that bullshit, but clean it up, make it look a little bit better. Probably powder coat the intercooler piping and paint the valve cover, paint the intake manifold, and yeah. But as of right now, she's going to storage pretty soon. I don't really have room here to keep 2 cars through the winter because Connecticut sucks. So my friend Bobby let me stay at his place for a couple months, I think till April, but depending on when all the snow melts, I will take her out sooner so I can get the motor back in. I'm gonna take my time with it. I don't really want to spend a lot of money at once, so yeah, this is my winter project, and let her begin. So as you guys can see, we disrespect everything. What?